We have the 2023 392 ScatPack. Guys, different setup today. We want an AWE touring system, completely bolt-on. Let's take a look. My bad for all the noise. Obviously, you have the stock cats over here. We can't touch that. Everything is bolt-on, guys. You could literally do this in your driveway, but good luck with that if you don't have a car lift or good jack stands. In the back right here, these are the touring mufflers right there by AWE. These things are gonna reduce the drone, give it that aggressive sound. It's gonna sound really, really good. These 5-inch matte black tips really set it off. Goes really nicely with that diffuser right there. Guys, we have full bolt-on systems available at G Exhaust that'll get shipped straight to your door. Go check it out. Also, we're franchising, so if you wanna own a turnkey business, go to gexhaust.com and ask for more information.